Well, hey everybody, welcome back. Lilo's barking. I've got my babies back. I got Gizmo and Lilo back with me. I just finished vacuuming. I need to mop. I hate mopping. I don't know why. Why do I hate mopping? Y'all got any suggestions of why I hate to mop? Anyway, I'm coming back. I am going to start. It'll probably be a little bit after January, but then again, I don't know, because then on January 1st, I plan on taking that long drive home. So I may come on there a little bit and, hold on just one moment. I may come on and do a little bit of here and a little bit of there. I don't know. Just depends. I don't know how I'm going to feel about it. But I'm just going to start posting on a regular basis. I don't know how often I'm going to post a week. I will still be doing cooking videos, but it won't be as much cooking because I'm trying to lose weight. And I don't eat much. I've been on the fat injections, and the fat injections are working good for me. I just need to get a little bit more exercising in. I'm going to start working out with Roberta. If you don't know who that is, go to Roberta's Gym on YouTube, and it's a little animation thing, and it's cute, and I like it, and it's for the elderly, and I'm part of the elderly, so I'm going to start doing it. And yeah, so on my community post, I have a little poll. This should be hilarious, okay? I have a little poll over there that says about what I plan on doing, what I'm doing in this video, and about what my YouTube channel name should be. So my name is April King, if you didn't know my last name. It's K-I-N-G. A lot of people say with my accent that I say it pert near funny, but it's April King. So should my name be, I'm going from Cooking with April to, should it be April King? Should it be The Kings? Because I do post pictures of or videos of my family and stuff on here, and I will continue to do that. However, most of my children are off and married. The only one still living at home is Caitlin, and and I'm not at home. I'm here in Kentucky. So what I don't know about that one. Messy Marvin, because by George, I can make a mess, and I can tear it up. Boy, I tell you, I was just vacuuming while ago, and I will insert the video here of what I've done. I'm just not so sure that anyone can do it any better than me. Yep, I did that. Trying to get it from unclogged from this thing. Banged it so hard, I knocked the bottom off. But yeah, I was taking the vacuum cleaner, I was trying to bang it up against this wall over here. So I wonder if I didn't make a mess on the wall. Well, I did, but like, what I mean is like pull the paint off. But I was banging it against the wall, trying to get the debris in the vacuum cleaner to come down. Well, it wasn't coming down, but what did happen is that it opened up and exploded. You've seen that, right? So yeah, that's Messy Marvin. It fits, right? My daddy always told me, boy, I could look at a John Brown glass of water and it just turned right on over. So, or just April. Just plain Jane April. Nothing more, nothing less. That's just all you get. It's just April. So it would be really, really hilarious to see this, because I don't have a lot of people who watch my channel. Yes, I have 20,000 subscribers. Where they come from, I don't know. But I don't have right many people that watch my channel. But hopefully with me doing this, I can get a little bit more comfortable with than just cooking, because a lot of times when I cook, I like to be quiet, and then when I talk, I really mess it up. So there's a lot of stories that go behind that talking aspect, but I like to talk. I like to talk a lot, but I guess whenever I'm trying to use my noodle, I don't really talk too terribly much. Who knows? I don't know. But anyway, I will give a huge shout out that Laura, if you're watching this video, how are you doing? How was your Christmas? Merry Christmas. I love you. I miss you. Shannon, baby girl, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I love and I miss you too. Janine, if you happen to be watching, Merry Christmas to you and Vinny and Millie, the dog. And then I think that's her name. Oh, I forgot if I forgot. But I think that's her name, because Chelsea's dog used to be named Millie. And Vicky, if you're watching, I love you. I hope you and Chad and your family had a wonderful Christmas. I haven't had my Christmas yet, by George, but I'm excited. I think I might be wrapping presents with y'all. So keep an eye out for that video. So see, I might post a little bit more before, but hey, we need to pick a name. Pick a name. Just help me pick a name. That's all I come on here to say. I've been on here 5 minutes, and all I want to do is pick a name. And you see this cabin over here? Lizzie said, Mama, what is that? We were FaceTiming, And I said, that's my storage cabinet. That's where I put my food. She said, you're not a minimalist, are you? And I said, no. I said, but I have nowhere to put anything in here. So we might organize that. I'm not too terribly sure how that's going to go, but hey, we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. I'm going to enjoy my Christmas when I go home. And I hope y'all have a very Merry New Year. I will be driving home. Right now, the plans are for me to drive home on January 1st. I plan on leaving early in the morning, or I may leave Wednesday when I get off work. Just kind of depends. I was hoping to kind of work right many hours between now and then, so I don't know if I'll be able to do it Wednesday night or not. But anyway, say a prayer for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. And I can't wait to get this journey started again. Mwah. Love to you all.